Oh my goodness! Kara! Oh my gosh! Why are you mute? You look very pretty! Oh my goodness!
Hi.
Hi! Oh my goodness, your voice! Can you say
Oh,
hi again? Can you say hi again?
hi.
Oh my god! Are you wearing braces, Kara?
No,
Oh, you're
but
not.
I'm about to get.
Hi. Okay, but your teeth is already perfect. Yeah.
No, I have tiger teeth here.
Tiger teeth? Oh yeah. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good.
I am kind of shy and I'm kind of I don't know
Yeah,
how to.
I know. You're like so excited.
Yes, and I am, I have like mixed, yeah, like I don't know how to, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to feel. Like I'm feeling excited, like I'm feeling nervous, I'm feeling shy, like I'm feeling happy, and I'm feeling overwhelmed. Oh my goodness. How about you? How'd you feel?
I'm excited and like nervous because it's a long time no see, and then we're now resuming our class.
But you've mentioned that you actually canceled your Chinese class just to have our class, but you will still have your Chinese class, right?
No, the teacher said, she told me to cancel, but while ago she texted me. We had class while ago from 3 to 3:50. And then after your class, I have another art.
Art
I
class.
have, yeah, I have so many class on Fridays.
Oh my goodness. You don't have class at school today?
Yeah, our school closed for 2 days. We have the online class because there's too many people got sick. There's like a new COVID or like started in our class and like yeah, and like BGC in the city, like most of the class are closed. School are closed.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think you are studying in a prestigious school or like a nice school. BGC is not a joke. BGC is very. Actually, um I have a cousin who used to work there, and she told me that once you live in BGC, like you're something, because it's expensive to live there. Yeah, and I just realized right now that, yeah, I think you are really living the life. Okay. How are you, Kara? How are you these years? Like from 2022, I think we stopped talking. We stopped having class last 2022. Yeah,
Oh,
2022.
really? Been so
Or
long.
yes, it has been too long. 2 years. 2 years actually. Yeah. How are those years?
Four
How were those?
years.
4?
Yeah, you said we
No.
stopped 2022.
2, 3, 2023, 2024, 2020. Yes. Almost 4 years. Yeah. You're really a teenager now. I still remember you. We were both, I witnessed you doing slimes.
Oh,
Slimes like this. Teacher, I have slime. Teacher, I made a new one. Now, oh my goodness. I think you're very tall now.
no,
Yeah.
like 152 centimeter.
I 152. You're almost my height. I am 158.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
My mom's 159.
Wow, you?
My mom.
Your mom. I see. How's your mom?
Mom's good.
Your dad?
He's sleeping.
Okay. And they know that we are having class. I'm kind of
Yeah, and my mom's like so excited. And she's like, "Oh, Teacher Shane, I remember her. She's like the teacher of Grace Shen." And then I'm like, "Yeah, can I have her class?" And she's like, "Yeah, sure. I actually really prefer you to have her class." And then yeah.
I am just very. Actually, my dear, I've gathered a lot of Filipino materials, but I'm not yet ready. I am still, I am still figuring out which one to use, which one fits your level, and which one is for teens.
Yeah.
Because the one that I
I
found, I think it's for adults, and it's kind of nerve-wracking.
I told my mom also, example, like if I need to review for my exams of the Filipino, I can
Mm.
actually ask you also.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
like for now, I'm thinking about like for the Tuesdays we can do English and then Friday we can do Tagalog.
Yes, of course. But now, can we do English
Yeah.
just right
Or
now?
like
Yeah.
yeah, or like any like if I need to review today English or yeah, it depends. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yeah. But right now, I just want to get to know you. Like, I just want, what are your hobbies right now? What's makes you really happy right now? Yeah. How's life right now, Kara? Because it has been so long. I
Yeah.
really missed you. Actually, this is not a lie, but there's just one day that I really thought about you. I have this student, a Vietnamese student, yeah, last year, a private student of mine. And she really reminded me of you because you have the same face. I said, "Oh my goodness, this student really looks like Kara." Yeah. And then that's December 2024. I messaged you. I will never ever forget that. That's December 2024.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me check. Let me check. December 2024. Yeah. I messaged you, I said, "Hi, Car- Hi, Kara. Do you still?
You remember?
No, it is January 2023. January 2023. Hi, Kara. Do you still remember me? Happy New Year and take care always. That's the
No,
time.
like like I was asking you first.
No, you replied after a month. You replied
No?
after a month. No.
No, look. Here. December 13, 2024. Hi teacher, do you remember me? And then Jan 14. Hi Auntie Anne, I hope you're doing well. I just opened my Google chat and I will never forget about you.
Oh yeah.
Started talking now.
No. No, 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 no. The first
What?
time, no. I stopped January and I stopped 2022. The first message I
Oh
text,
yeah.
yeah, January 13,
Yeah,
2023.
2023.
Yes, and then you
Like for
replied.
a month. And then I texted you, you replied
Uh,
me for a month also.
yeah, and then that's it. I just said, I just told myself, oh, I think
Sure? Why did you send me your selfie?
don't know. Like it's so weird. It's so no, 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 honey. I was actually waiting for you for our class during the time. So for proof, I was
Oh, and then you started.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I started taking selfies. Do you remember? Do
your
you still
hair
remember the spot?
was gold that.
Yes. Oh my goodness. And my hair is very dark right now. Yeah.
Wait, when I was like watching your live, you're
Mm.
like I actually love your keyboard when you're like typing on that.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
I was like I was want to ask for the link. Where did you bought it?
Sure.
Ah,
Sure, sure,
it's
sure, sure, sure.
like
It's
so
very
good. It's like so good. And then you type, it's like so clicky, clacky.
yes, very creamy, right?
Yeah. And
I
I
will
was like,
I will send I
yeah.
was I will send the link later. Yeah, it's so nice. This is actually very this is I think around 400 pesos, 300
Oh,
pesos. And this is this is a popular keyboard for the ESL teachers like me. Yeah. But Kara, after yeah, at 4:30 I will end the class. Then let's go back again because teachers for I am not using the
yeah.
premium
Oh, yeah. Okay.
thingy.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Before you don't, and then like I'll give you my passcode because I
Yes.
have premium.
Yes, you have premium. Yeah. How about that? Do you have premium account? Do you
Yeah.
have premium? let me. How about that? Like I'm going to enter your class, your Zoom.
That's my mom's, but
Ah,
it's okay. We can use this also.
yeah. I think it's okay. So na yeah, Carol. Since 2022, did you go back to China? Did you visit some relatives there?
I don't think so. I don't know. I think I forgot.
Really? I
Yeah.
see. You're from China, right?
What do you mean?
I mean, your parents are from China?
Yeah. But I'm born in the Philippines. But my aya is born in Beijing.
Ah, Beijing. Wow, I really love Chinese dramas. Share
Oh
ko
yeah.
lang. Share ko lang. You know what? You really have this kind of um Konyo accent. Yeah, the BGC Konyo accent. Do you know LaSalle? The LaSalle?
Yeah. The college. Yeah.
Is it near your school? Is it near
No.
your place? Yeah.
Think so.
Okay.
Oh, that time my brother was like trying to get 14 college school and then they accepted my brother. But
Mm.
like three schools is in US and then my
Mm.
mom encouraged him to go US for college and then he rejected all LaSalle, UST, Ateneo, all of their school just for US.
Whoa! So he's now going to US.
He's already in US for wait, I have a date. Wait lang.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
For
goodness, really? Very
527 days.
really? How old is he? Kara.
He's turning look
Oh my
520.
goodness. Oh wow. He's an adult now.
He's turning 20. His birthday is September 13th.
You miss him? Of course.
Yeah, but like every year when it's like summer, I always go US and go visit him.
You go to the US all the
Yeah,
time?
yeah, like every summer and I go visit him.
Whoa, just you alone?
No, with my mom.
Okay.
With my mom.
What?
If my but my dad doesn't really like long flights, so like he just stay at home.
You're really rich. How could you? Wow, my dream, my American dream. Where is he staying in? I mean, what state? Los
Lo-
Angeles, New York,
Los
LA?
Angeles. Yeah, LA.
I think you're going to US too in the near future.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I think so.
High schools. Like,
High school?
yeah, yeah, high school.
But you are in high school now. You mean senior? Senior high school?
No, like when I'm like maybe grade 8 or 9.
You're going to leave the Philippines. You're going to leave
You
the
know what?
Philippines for real.
I'm gonna I'm gonna look for a notebook for our class.
Okay. I will share my screen now, okay? And let's try this book. Let's see
Okay.
if it will suit you or if it's just
I'm
too
gonna
if
use
you
this
are
one. This one's for our class.
okay. Wow.
Write down notes.
Okay. And then maybe at the end of our class, maybe 10 minutes before we end our class, I will open the one that I downloaded just yesterday, honey. The Tagalog one. Okay.
What?
You know how to speak Tagalog, right? Or do you understand?
Contela.
Konti lang. Okay.
Wait. Oh, I remember my notebooks are here.
Okay.
Bro, I don't have a good notebook. Wait. Teacher,
Yes? Still
pink
here.
or pink or purple?
Pink. I
Pink.
like the pink. You have a lot of
Yeah,
notebook.
I really like pink. I saw
Yes.
like your room is like all pink.
Yes. Even my background.
Yeah, yeah.
Honey, I'm going to click my keyboard. Let me just test if you can hear the keyboard, even if I'm using my noise canceling um headphones. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Can you still hear?
No.
Hey. So I have been using this book, Kara, for about 3 years already for my teenager students, and I hope this will. Oh, that's really new. That's really new. You're very pretty, Carol. Like, oh my goodness. I really forgot that you actually have dimples. And then when you saw them smiled a while ago, I said, "Oh, I remember this this pretty young lady has actually dimples."
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, a lot of pens too.
Yeah.
Okay, Kara, how do you say you're beautiful in Tagalog? Let's test.
Ikaw ay maganda.
See? Or ang ganda mo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like, let me ask you, Kara, how do you want to learn in Tagalog? Like the fluency, like the straight sentences, like what do you want to learn?
No,
To construct
like a
sentences?
new language. Yeah, like sentences. Like at
Ah,
least I can talk to people easily, not that
ah,
hard.
ah. So how did you talk to but your classmates are Filipino Chinese, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
But
half
they know how to speak
Tagalog,
Philippine. Yeah.
Filipino. I see. Okay. That's really true, no? That's really, really true, no? That, students or people that usually live in BGC really speaks English most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, my cousin is not really lying about that. I said, really? She said,
Mm.
yeah. Most of the people that lives in BGC are rich. Uh, yeah. Okay. So anyway, let's have now the chat room 14 to 1, Carol, and then let's see if it suits you. If it's not, then let's change another like let's have another one. I'm going to find one. So we have here lesson number 1, Carol, and the title of this lesson is Can you read this one, please?
Can I speak to Sue?
Can I speak to Sue? Okay, let's have this dialogue right here. So I am going to be Mrs. Jones and you're going to be Bobby. Okay, after this one, Kara, you're going to have comprehension questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You're
I'm
Bobby.
Bobby.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Mrs. Jones. How are you?
I'm very well, Bobby. How are you?
I'm okay now. Thanks.
Sue said you were sick.
I'm actually sick now.
Huh? You
Yeah,
have
I have
fever?
flu.
I have
No,
flu.
colds. Yeah, flu. Yes, I had the flu. I had to miss a week of school.
Well, I'm glad you feel better now. So that's the virus that you have been talking about a while ago, the COVID
Yeah.
one you got from your class from your, oh, okay. Anyway, let's continue.
May I speak to Sue?
I'm sorry, she isn't home now. She's still in the ballet class.
When do you think she'll be back?
She said she was going shopping first, so maybe she'll be home in 2 or 3 hours.
May I call back then? Or can she call me?
Of course. Can I pass along a message?
Just tell her I need some help with all the homework I missed.
Okay. So do you understand the whole dialogue? What is it all about?
It's Bobby, Bobby missed like the school, and then she's maybe like asking the classmates to help him to like
Mm,
review about the things they do and the activities they did in school.
exactly. Exactly. Okay. So what is Sue's complete name? Mrs. Jones okay, Bobby is Sue's classmate and she's asking for Sue, right? For Sue's help. And then the one that answered the phone is Sue's mom. It's Mrs. Jones. Yeah, Bobby and Sue are friends. So now
Oh,
what's yes, it's Sue Jones. You are Intian Wong, right?
on
Kara? Antian. I searched that actually.
Tian Wang.
Antian Wong. When
Like my classmate calls me Kara Wang because when I was like grade two, a
mm,
teacher and online she called
mm,
me En Shan.
and that's cute. Inshan. Anyway, yeah. When I really missed you a lot, Kara, I actually searched your name and you were like holding like a folder and you were like I think singing with the other kids. Yeah.
Wait, where?
Hmm? Church? I
What?
think that's a church.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. Question two. Where is Sue, Kara? Where is she?
ballet class.
Very good. What is she going to do next?
Calling with Bobby
Okay. Why is Bobby calling her?
to review the missing tasks they did at
Yes.
school.
Yes. Do you do that? Do you ask for help from your classmates?
No.
You're smart.
Because
That prov
some of my classmates will just write the notes and just put it at my table and wait for me to come back to school.
really. Okay, but do you live in a condo, right? Condominium. Yeah,
No, I
like a
live
big
in a bit.
yeah building. Not a you don't call it a condo. I thought it's called condo or condominium. Okay, it's still the same place, right?
Which one? The one, the back is the
Yeah,
white,
yeah. It's still like whoa.
but not
Okay.
in this room. This was my brother's before, because I
Mm,
didn't have a room that time. I was in my mom's room.
mm, I see. Yeah, I still remember.
I need to, yeah, and now I'm in my brother's room. His room is so big. Like at the front, there's still so space.
Really? Oh, okay. All right. That reminds you of your brother, I think. Okay, so let's have question number one. What does hang on mean? Hang on.
Like, hold on.
Very good. Wait for a while. Wait a sec. Hang on, right? Yeah. Can you make a sentence using the word hang on, Kara? Make a sentence, a phrase. Example, we're talking, okay. Kara, can you pass me the phone, please?
Wait, hang on, I'll go to you.
Like, wait up. Hang on. Hang on, please. Yeah, wait a sec. Yeah. Okay. When would someone use that expression, Carol? When would someone use that expression? Hang on.
Like, if they want you to wait.
To, again? To
Wait.
wait. To wait. Okay. Question three. What other similar expressions could you use instead of hang on, please?
Hold on.
Very good. What else? What else? What else?
Uh,
Wait a sec.
or like, sorry. Or
Yeah.
like, oh, wait a sec.
Yes. Wait a minute. Okay. All right, let's have this one. What does "you've got the wrong number" mean? You've got the wrong number. What does it mean?
Like you called the wrong number.
Yes. Have you ever tried? Oh, wait. Have you ever tried to call someone, but you ended up calling another number? Have you ever tried that?
No.
Now I've tried that
Oh, you tried.
with
Oh.
my husband. With my husband. I was freaking mad with my husband because it's late at night already, and he said he's going to go home really early from work. And then I called him. I said when I thought my husband answered, I said, "Where are you now?" And then the man said, "Hello, ma'am. Who are you? Who's this?" Okay. Question two. When would someone use that expression?
Like when he's confused.
Hmm.
Yeah. And then like he doesn't know who you are.
Wow, you're so smart, Carol. Okay, you never really changed. You're still there. You are still that smart girl. Okay,
Gonna
question.
show you my paper star.
You made it?
Yeah, I fold it.
I remember one Chinese drama, The Hidden Love.
Oh, I know that hidden love.
Yeah, yeah, she used to make that one for yeah.
The the frog phone case girl.
Yes. I had one. I had because I'm such like a fan. I'm a
Oh,
huge fan.
really? And you
Yeah,
bought it.
I bought it. It was very expensive, but my best friend who just gave birth and then it was her birthday. She really wants the case because she was also a huge fan, so I gave it to her because I'm a good friend. Okay. So you watch C drama too or Chinese drama too?
Yeah, sometimes.
Did you finish the Hidden Love?
No.
You watch the when hold on. When I Fly Towards You. Watch it. It's
Oh,
so nice.
yeah. I know that
Wrong,
also.
wrong,
The
wrong, wrong.
from school to marriage.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wrong, wrong. Oh, oh.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Dun,
Rang Rang.
dun,
Oh,
dun,
yeah.
dun,
Um,
dun, 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 dun,
and
dun,
then she
dun.
used to get a camera to record every day.
Yes. Did you finish it?
Almost.
Whoa, it's so nice. I will never. That's my top one. I watch it for about 3 times, 4 times in
It's
a
so
year.
good.
It's really good.
It's actually
Okay,
like really good from school to marriage.
yes. Teenager
Yeah, like
thing.
those four people, and then they actually got together. Their dream has achieved.
Yes. All of them. All of
Yeah.
them. Yes. I am really a Chinese drama addict. I'm telling
I
you.
thought you would like those Korean things.
Too, Korean too. But you know what? After watching Chinese drama, like I just realized Chinese drama are really better. I'm sorry.
For 29, I think it's gonna cut down on 4:30.
Yeah, yeah. So I think yeah, I'm going to
Oh,
end
so
this and
you
mm,
have class 30 minutes?
me after your class, 5 to 5:30 after your class.
Oh, so you only have class for 30 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
Oh,
You're
for
my
400 for 30 minutes or
yeah
400 for
yeah. Actually,
what?
no, 500. Actually, I gave you a less. I gave
Yeah,
you a discount.
discounted. Yeah,
I give you a discount. It's actually 500. Yeah, for
for
hour.
30.
Yeah, for no, not
Oh, for an
for
hour.
1 hour.
Um,
Okay, I will end this now and then let's go back. Okay.
okay.